Turn the shirt inside out. Flatten the sleeves. Make sure there are no wrinkles. Measure the desired length. Align the top of the sleeves with the horizontal line of your mat. You want to create a 90-degree angle, so with your ruler, align it with a vertical line on your mat. Mark 1 inch seam allowance from the length of your sleeves. Mark an additional half-inch seam allowance. Do the same thing to the other sleeve. Now we are going to cut the sleeves. The width of the sleeves should match the width of the second chalk line. To adjust it, fold the sleeves on the second chalk line mark where the seam ends. Draw a straight line from the mark out to the sleeves and draw another straight line from the mark down to the bottom of the armhole. Using the straight stitch, we are going to sew along the chalk line. If necessary, you might have to remove the seam stitches using a seam ripper. After sewing it with a straight line stitch, you can reinforce it with a zigzag stitch, or in my case, I used stitch number 19 on my brother 400. Cut the excess fabric. Now we are going to our ironing board and we are going to fold on the first chalk line, iron it, and then fold again on the second chalk line and then iron it. Now we are going to sew the seam. Use a running stitch. So this is the finished product. So now it's short sleeves. Please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.